Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
National debt jumped from 12 to $15 trillion. We must identify the specific economic cause behind this massive increase. The national debt represents the total amount of money that the federal government owes to its creditors. It specifically tracks government borrowing over time rather than private or household sector debts. An increase in the national debt occurs when the government spends more than it collects in taxes. This gap is called a budget deficit and requires the government to borrow more. Household and business debt differ from national debt. A $3 trillion government budget deficit is the only fitting factor. Option B is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check your steps.